In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter a loan in QuickBooks Online. This is a crucial step for accurately managing your business's finances, especially when dealing with borrowed funds. So, let's get started with the process, and I'll guide you every step of the way. First, you'll need to navigate to your QuickBooks Online dashboard. You'll notice a gear icon located at the top right corner of the screen. Go ahead and click on it. This gear icon serves as a gateway to many important settings within QuickBooks, giving you access to various options that help in customizing and organizing your accounting data. Once you've clicked the gear icon, you'll see a menu with several options. Look for the option that says Chart of Accounts and select it. The Chart of Accounts is essentially a complete listing of every account your company possesses, including assets, liabilities, income, and expenses. It functions as the backbone of your accounting system and allows you to categorize financial transactions with ease. Now that you're in the Chart of Accounts, we're going to proceed with creating a new account specifically for your loan. To do this, locate the New Account button, which you'll typically find towards the top right of the screen, and click on it. This action will open a window where you can input the details of your new account. The first thing you'll want to enter is the account name. This step is important because the account name will help you easily identify the loan later on. Choose something related to the loan that makes sense for your bookkeeping and is easily recognizable to you. It could be the name of the lending institution or a specific project the loan is meant for. Next, we need to define the account type. For loans, you'll select long-term liabilities from the drop-down menu. This classification reflects that the loan is something your business owes and that it is expected to be repaid over a period longer than a year. It's crucial for maintaining an accurate financial picture of what your business owes in the long run. Following the account type, you'll set the detail type to Other Long-Term Liabilities. This gives additional specification within the broader category of liabilities, ensuring that your records are well organized and detailed. After setting the detail type, you should enter the balance of the loan, which is the total amount borrowed. Don't forget to also insert the relevant active date for this balance, which could be the date when the loan was initially disbursed. Once you've filled in all these details, simply click on the Save button to ensure everything is properly recorded. And that's it. You've successfully entered a loan in QuickBooks Online. By properly tracking your loans in this way, you'll have a far more accurate picture of your company's financial health, allowing for better decision-making in the future. Thank you for watching, and I hope this process was clear and helpful.